Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed Bluesky social links on a Discord, guys, and it's really easy and simple. So what people usually try to do, first things first, of course, look for the post you want to embed. And then what they do is you click on these three dots at the bottom right. They come here and click on embed post, copy this code, and then they come and paste this here. Now, while it could work technically, it would also be very unneat. Look, this is not neat at all. It's repeating stuff, repeating their profile. Let me delete this and I'll show you the proper way. Don't do this. What you need to do is come here, click on these three dots, click on copy link to post, okay? Just copy that link and paste it. Paste this link, press enter. Boom, guys. We have this post and I can come here and click here and I can view the image, or if I want, I can open this up in a browser. Right here, and it will completely, lead me to this post as well. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.